Hello, my name is Maud, I'm an automated test conceptor, and welcome to this tutorial on the capture tool on Agilitest. In this tutorial we will see how to open and use the locator, and then we'll see how to use the parent elements and the attributes. Here we are going to see how to use the locator. To open the locator, click on the Capture button. This will open the locator window on your application. If you move your mouse around, you can see that the locator recognizes various elements. If you want to select one element, you just have to place your mouse on the element you want to capture and then press the Ctrl key on your keyboard. Then you need to select an attribute that corresponds the most to the element you've captured. After that, you can click on the Statistics button. This will show you if there is one or more elements corresponding to the attribute you've chosen. If there is a problem in the statistic, you can choose other attributes from elements that are parents to the one you've captured. Once you have your element and its attributes, you can click on the Drag Drop into the Editor button and drag your element into an action you've already created, or like we're doing here, you can create a new one. Now, if you want to capture an element that is situated in the System bar, you just have to click on the System button, and then you'll have access to all the elements at the top of the page. Finally, if you want to use your mouse and its clicks during the capture, you can put it on hold by pressing the Shift key on your keyboard. Here, you'll be free to use and go through the page as you want and give access to elements you didn't have access to before. On this part, we want to visualize the parent elements of a captured element. As we've seen earlier, when you capture an element, you have other elements that appear which corresponds to the parent elements. As you move your mouse through the different elements, you can see the captures changing. Look on the page to see which elements corresponds to which capture. Then, if you choose the text attribute, for example, you have the possibility to change the text to a regular expression by clicking on this square. You can click on the Replace Whitespace button as well. To know more about regular expressions, you can watch its tutorial, or you can go through the documentation on the Agilitest website. Next, you can also capture a picture from a page. For this, hold your right click and drag your mouse to the frame you want to capture. Then, click on the Elements Tree button. You can see the capture elements parents of this picture. Then, click on the Drag Drop into the Editor button and drag your capture into an action. Here we can check the occurrences, for example, to see if this picture appears only one time on the page. Finally, if you want to close the capture, you can click on the Close button on the capture window, or you can just click back on the Capture button in the editor. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for listening, and I will see you next time. Bye bye!